So it's 2026, last day of school. I know I got two sons who are still in school, so this must be like Christmas for you. At least that's how it used to be for me. Last day of school, man. I hope you boys have a wonderful summer. Try to get outside when you can. Don't just sit around the house. Have fun, because that, what you're going through right now, what you're experiencing. It's a moment in time. It's like a small slice of your life caught in amber. And when you're older, you'll look back at it kind of in awe. Like, did that really exist? Was that me? Anyhow, think about all four of y'all every day. I love y'all. Be safe this summer, okay? I'm always scared to death that y'all are going to drown or something, or get eaten by a shark. I tell you, man, not knowing how your kids are doing, that's a special kind of hell. That really is. You adapt. Yeah. Anyhow. Yeah, sorry, modeling. Party foul. I'll drink to that. Don't get eaten by a fucking shark, okay? That would really suck. This has been your dad, and I love you. Enjoy the final day of school for this year.